Hello kids, welcome to English Fun Class. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's begin. Kids, listen carefully. A noun is a naming word. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Let's learn with easy examples. Person. A person is a noun. Look here. Boy, girl, mother, father, all these are nouns. Say it with me. A person is a noun. Place. A place is also a noun. Look at these places. Home, school, hospital. These are places. And places are nouns. Animal. An animal is a noun. Let's see some examples. Dog, cat, birds. Animals are noun too. Very good. Things. A thing is a noun. Look at these things. Ball, book, toy. Things are nouns. Now let's do some revision. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Say it again with me. A noun is a naming word. Now it's a quiz time. Now, kids, tell me what is this?
Cat.
Yes, a cat. It is a noun. What is this?
School.
Yes, a school. It is a noun. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job today. See you in the next video. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and keep smiling.